Anything that's different or abnormal can be scary.
Take it, Georgie.
Like Pennywise in It, oftentimes the scariest type of predator isn't a human, a creature, or a beast. It's a variation of a human being. A distorted human form that looks, acts, or even moves in a disturbingly unnatural way.
Oh my God.
One thing many of us are terrified by is a distorted human form. Why?
Our brain and our mind is a kind of prediction processor. We're trying to predict what's going to happen next. So when anything comes in and it doesn't match our template, our sense of categories, then we're cognitively and emotionally aroused. So it activates the amygdala, it makes us a little suspicious, or at least puts us on our toes again.
We have a genetic predisposition to be averse to, or at least aroused by, that which is outside the ordinary. But when you're fresh out of the womb, you don't know what's normal or what's distorted and scary. Researchers at Princeton and Florida Atlantic University demonstrated this by showing normal faces and creepy, distorted faces to babies. Children that were at least 1 year old avoided looking at the scary faces, which makes sense. But younger children, like those who were only 8 months old, didn't. The hypothesis is that at that age, normal hasn't yet been sufficiently established. A creepy face is just another thing to look at. It only becomes creepy when you've been around long enough to know what's not creepy. So when it comes to finding the one thing that can panic anyone, I'll need to look elsewhere. Because if a newborn baby rolls in here, I won't be able to scare it even with the most vile, scary, unnatural face. Of course, it's not just faces. Distorted natural forms also include bodies, like humans with other animal parts. Or creatures moving unnaturally. Oh my.